This is the S&P 500 one-day reading for May 5th, 2023. It's currently March 30th, 2023, 2:06 p.m. Eastern Time. And the shuffle file we're about to play was created on February 26, 2023 at 9:28 p.m. Eastern Time. That's this file right here. The overall theme and behavior for the day, we have the establishment of support. The behavior on the highest high, we have sideways fluidity along support, and that's equal amounts of bulls and bears, inflow, outflow. So sometimes you see big price swings, sometimes you see like a narrow channel, but usually they kind of like equal each other out. Behavior around the lowest low, we have the unicursal here, so there should be a sharp drop to meet the low. My sense is that probably took place overnight, and we have a low here first thing in the morning. It is possible that it's the same low that we had on the 3rd as well, based on this being the same card in the low position. It's possible. Sometimes that's a marker for card, the peace card. I'm advised to trade around multiple failed attempts to break through key resistance. Okay, so in the pre-market, there's a trade opportunity. We do sideways rotational on key support. Usually there's a lot of price movement when you see a princess, or price change when you see a princess, so we'll have to see. But there's a crest, an overbought crest that we sell off from right around the open, and a notable drop there. The fortune card marks an opportunity, a possible opportunity to close out of a short position if we open up a short position. No, we didn't open up a short position. That's good. That's good. Yeah, because we end up going higher, right? What's important is that there's a decline off of the high from the 4th that offers an opportunity to open up a long position. So we want to be going long, especially when we look at the 1 month. We're coming out of lows. We have a breakout towards the end of the day. So there's a notable reversal first thing in the morning, like in the first half hour, and a decline that increases with momentum moving forward into roughly 10 o'clock. It's followed by some sideways rotation and a bit of a rally to reach a crest or a peak. Probably the same support level highlighted again that we saw early in the day. And then there's a trade opportunity in the midst of like this crest or peak here to open up a short position and then close that short position very short thereafter when we decline to and through support to meet a second support, and then we rotate sideways along that support. That would be like a quick scalp trade. And then it looks like the other opportunity is before, like when we're declining into like the 10 o'clock hour, the 11 o'clock hour, before like there's this rally to a crest, might be a good opportunity to open up. No, matter of fact, at the same time that I would close the short position, I would open up a long position. There's like a pretty good pop and drop here, so it's a little tricky, but you could probably make money in both directions if you time it right, is my point. Before the pop, open a long, close it at the pop, open short, close that after the drop. There's a big move probably, so after we have this decline to and through support to meet second support and we rotate sideways along support, there's another move to the upside. We might push the upper end of a range higher. A significant move there in the mid-afternoon. Looks like some price swinging, some sideways fluidity, price swinging there. And then we revisit a support level in the midst of some sideways rotation. There's a sharp drop somewhere in the last hour, but it's kind of like, it's insignificant in comparison to the move higher that we see into the close to reach, I think, probably the day's high there at the close. Either that or the same high that we've seen already, but at the close we should reach a near overbought peak or crest and a little bit of a selling off from there into the post market, but that turns around in more rally. We do open lower the following day. There's like a breakout here at the end of the day, it would appear, though. In any case, that's the S&P 500 for May 5th, 2023. Let me know what you think by hitting that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, my friends, make sure to send 5% of the profits to one of these charities here, 5% of the profits back to the channel here at Cash App's PayPal, and make sure whatever you spend that money on, you spend it out of love. The universe will send it back to you tenfold in all directions, my friends. Blessings.